Hello, my name is Jeffrey. I'm graduate from the MSc Artificial Intelligence for Business Transformation. I wanted to be an AI expert, so I chose this program to learn all the technical stuff about AI. My favorite course was machine learning and deep learning. We did a deep dive about AI and all the theory stuff about how to create an AI program, but also how to implement an AI project in real software. I worked on Skezia project. Skezia is a video game that personalized learning for middle school students. So I work in this project during 6 months. So we implement an AI in the game that can give you some tips how to solve math exercise and also to understand the strength of a student, but also how he can improve himself in the game, but also at school. I loved the two sides of the master, the engineer side and also the business school side, because I learned all the technical requirements to be an AI expert, but also I learned all the requirements to be a good manager in AI field. Now I'm solution consultant at Adobe in agentic AI. So I need to understand all the needs of a client, but also I need to be able to explain all the technical stuff about our product. So it's perfect for me, this master, because now I can speak with data officer, but also I can speak with marketing guys, explain them how the product works in their own language. So someone from Adobe invited me to after work because the last intern was from IBT. And fun fact, the next one also, the next intern is from IBT. International because of all the opportunities. AI, to learn all AI stuff, so the certification, the master. And the last point is entrepreneurial. We have a lot of opportunity to create projects. So I started my first project in my first year at Schema Business School. And my last project, Skezia, I started in my master. Be curious. You can learn a lot about the culture, the course, but also from the professor. And my second advice is raise the bar, because at Schema you need to be ambitious, and when you are really ambitious you can have a lot of opportunities at the end.